as all the crew members were happy, all the peoples were happy that we were going to shoot this project, this music video in front of a green screen. After that plan of doing this project in front of the green screen was a biggest challenge for me, because I did not have anything in mind. I was really thinking, how can I make this video, how can I shoot this video. We started this project like
Roll
one day
camera
before, so we
and
had started this project
गाना
after
क्यों
that
चल रहा
day.
है?
When we had shot that video, everybody was tired at that time, because these people were continuously right from 9 a.m. to next day 4 a.m. They haven't slept. Like, I can say we have worked 26 to 28 hours to make this video. We faced a lot of challenges, right? And you can see in this video, you will be seeing some of the takes, and we took a lot of takes. Like, we took almost 50 takes to make this video, and it was a really challenging situation for us, because at that time there were no lights, proper lights, for which I can focus the light on the actor's face. So it was a very challenging task for me, because I only had to like operate the camera from front, and at that time I also had to take care about the lights. The light should be like straight into the actor's face and straight to the vocalist's face. So that was a really challenging situation for me, but eventually we managed that thing also. But what was happening is the coordination problem, and at that time when we started to shoot, everybody was really tired, including the vocalist as well as the actors also. Everybody was very tired. So, like, as you can see now, that hard works really pays off. So
तेरी
we were
बारी
really
और बिल्कुल
patient
इसके
at that
इंस्ट्रक्शन पे
time.
फोकस कर.
The actors were really patient, the vocalist was also very patient, right? So we started the shoot, and at that time, at take one, you can see that there was no coordination between the back two actors, right?
नर्वस हो रहा है?
I took a lot of efforts.
वेट कर.
Like, they should synchronize properly, but unfortunately I was not able to do it. So I had to take a lot of takes so that I can synchronize them properly. But I did not I was not able to synchronize that take properly. So I kept on taking the takes. But yeah, and eventually as you can see, I was really laughing when Mrudul, one of the actors in the music video, he was really like, he was one of the most mimic person in this music video. As I'm seeing this video, I'm laughing at his acting, because he was really tired at that time, and I was like क्या acting कर रहा है यार तू. And as we moved further, we got this final take, and I was like really happy with that. Finally यार shoot तो हो गया है. And there was a big sigh of relief for me also, as well as the actors, because they were also really tired. You can see how that scene is shown in the video. At the next step, I had to shoot individual shots of everybody, including the actors, including the vocalist, and I have to showcase that part into the music video. So it was really a fun part, because it was one of the easiest tasks that I had to do at that time, because it required no coordination, no synchronization, nothing. So it was really an easiest part. So it was not as that challenging as the previous part was. So at 2 p.m. we had shot these scenes. And and in the next part you can see how this scene is looking, and it was great. So when we were shooting, the next two parts which were left were very smoothly done, and all credits to the teammates, because they were really patient at that time, and they
Ready?
did the rest of the
Set.
things, because they supported
Action.
me a lot, and I want to appreciate everyone who was the part of this project. And only this scene was the dancer scene, and in this scene the dancer has to dance in front of the green screen, and the shoot was really smooth, because I didn't have to give him any instruction part. So you have to do like this, you have to do like that, because he was the only one who was knowing about the dance scene. So I was like relaxed at that time, and the rest part he started to do. And if you see the further part, there were two roles. There was the double role which I decided to do. So how a double role is shot, you can see in this video. So many of you, the people who don't know how a double role is shot, so you can get an overview. So there was only one part left, and that was the bike scene, and this scene was the most loved scene of all time. Everybody who has watched this video has told me that the bike scene was awesome. So I'll not speak more about this bike scene.
अब इसको पास मत दे, एक हाथ लड़की बाजू से देख देना, या तो ऐसा दबा के एकदम रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है, हल्का हल्का मूव करो। हाँ मूव करो, जैसे तुम मूव करोगे वैसा मैं करूँगा। भाई उधर मत देखना, उस साइड के सीधा देखना, रास्ते पे कहीं पर भी देख सकते हैं ना। ये गाड़ी में दिखाओ। हाँ समझ गया। हाँ ठीक है। Awesome. बस सीधा देखते रहो बस तुम। कहाँ सीधा? अभी ने कितनी स्पीड पकड़ा? स्पीड पकड़ा। फॉक। अभी स्पीड पकड़ा। कैसा लग रहा है गाड़ी में? हमने में आई फोटो तो अच्छा आएगा आपको। स्पीड पकड़ा इसने। मैं तो बोला अपन क्यों हिल रहा है? हैंडल क्यों नहीं हिल रहा? चलाते रहो गाड़ी चलाते रहो। हैंडल भी रहो। गाते रहो। हाँ सर, ये पाली मत कर। सीधा देखना। क्या कर रहा तू? अबे भाई मजाक मत करो। अबे थोड़ा नॉर्मल शूट लो। छोड़ दो, हो गया। अरे सर पकड़ो थोड़ा ऊपर। हाँ ना थोड़ा। अरे बंदी